Alrighty guys, today I've picked up the brand new Dji Mini 3 Pro. This is my first Dji Mini series drone. I actually had the Mavic, which I got rid of, and now upgraded to the Mini 3 Pro, which is 249 grams, and it's small, compact. It's pretty much the only reason I upgraded, because it's so small and light, and I don't have to register the drone at all. So I can just go, fly wherever I want. Even where I live right now, there's actually an airport about 4 kilometers away, and I can't actually take off the drone if it's above 249 grams. So this one I can. Which is cool, so I can just fly that around normally without having to register anything and do any tests online and anything like that. This is ready to go straight out of the box, which is awesome. So I'm really pumped up about that. There's only one store in Melbourne where I live that actually had this drone. Everything else was sold out, so there was no stock anywhere. And luckily, I only live like 30 minutes away, so I went and picked this up. There's actually 3 left, so I was actually pretty lucky to get my hands on one of these. So I'm pretty pumped up to unbox this, check it out, and let's see how small it actually is. Alrighty guys. Alright, let's put that to the side for now. And let's unbox this Mini 3 Pro. There's nothing on it except for 249 grams, ultra lightweight. A few details on the back, I think. Tells you what's in the actual box. Tells you what it works with here, which is awesome. It says Final Cut Pro, which is what I use to edit anyway, which is good. It's got a bit of a pull tab here like Apple's does. Alright, let's unbox this little bad boy. Wow, this thing is tiny. Put the box to the side for a sec. This drone is absolutely miniature. I did not realize how small these drones actually are and how light this is. Like, it is very light. I don't even know how to open this. I think these might come out first. And that comes down. Alright. That's with the battery in, and that is... Alrighty guys, here's a comparison to my iPhone 13 Pro Max compared to the drone. It is bigger. My drone's actually smaller than my phone. Even with the gimbal sticking out here, it actually is... That is insane. Especially when you fold these up. This thing, it feels like a little toy. Like, it just feels like just a plastic toy that maybe is worth like $10. Does not feel like a $1,300 drone. Look at that. That's insane right now. Just the size of this is just ridiculous. Alrighty guys, that's the drone. Let's put that to the side and see what else is in the box. Take this off. Here is the controller. And I think there's some obviously cables and that in there, so we'll put the rest to the side for now. Alright, look at this. The actual controller I think is bigger than the drone, which is weird. Wow. So I actually did get the controller with the screen on it, which is better, I think. Just so it's a bit more convenient opposed from using your phone and the phone running out of battery and all that kind of stuff. So here is the controller. And here are the removable sticks. So you just take these out. You just screw them on like so. And when you don't want them, you unscrew it. And then you just tuck it away. Wow, if it didn't fall apart. And that's the controller. That's awesome. So here's the controller and drone together. As you can see, for size comparison, the actual controller is bigger than the drone. Like, that's like what? Like, it's ridiculous. Alright. Let's put that to the side. Let's check out what's in this little pouch here. We've got the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, which is how you charge the battery. We do have some instruction manuals I'm not going to even get into because I already know how to take that off. And we do have some spare propellers and a screwdriver to undo the propellers as well. I do wish they included a quick release like the Mavic did on the propellers. It would have been easier, but anyway. And then we do have the USB-C cable, which I'm not going to even use. I'm just going to leave everything back in the box because I've already got plenty of USB-C to USB-C cables. No point in using that and wasting that, so that can go back in the box. And yeah, I think the first thing... Alright, there we go. There's a few things on there, removed before use. Alright, I don't know why those stickers are on there. Interesting. Alrighty guys, so the good thing about this new drone, you can actually, since the Mavic, I don't think any other drone has done this since the original one that I had, you can actually flip the camera vertical, as you can see there. So it goes vertical and horizontal. So it's one of the first mini series cameras to do this. We have the gimbal protector. How do you even put this on? I don't even know. I think it just goes on like that. Alright, that's pretty easy actually. Alrighty guys, I'm going to give it a charge before I actually fly it. And when we do come to flying it, I will come back to you guys. Alrighty guys, I hope you did enjoy the footage you just saw. That is all shot on the Mini 3 Pro. The drone has been excellent. I can't fault it once. I haven't had an issue. There was a few things coming out with range with the drone. I did test mine out. I actually ended up getting to 2.2 kilometers. So it is pretty good, I think. I think the advertised maximum range in ideal conditions is 12 kilometers. I don't think you get anywhere near close to that ever. But I did get 2.2 Ks. Now, if you have to fly 2.2 Ks away, I'd advise just flying to that location if you can, and filming around there opposed to flying your drone that far. I think it just works out better. But if you do need to, the range is there on them. The DJI RC controller is excellent. I've loved every second of using it. With the built-in screen, it is so much easier than using your phone, especially if your phone's not charged, if you get notifications, if you get a phone call. It is just separate now, so it's so much easier actually having the physical controller with the built-in screen now, so I love it. And the drone itself is so portable and light. I have it in my pocket when I've been going on walks or a hike. I have it in my pocket, the remote in my other pocket, and when I want to fly, I just pull it out, turn it on, and use it, and then I put it back together. Now, I've also been carrying my portable charger around. I've got a big 30,000 milliamp portable charger. That's been awesome because I've been connecting that to my drone when I have it in my backpack. If I have gone on a hike, if I don't have it in my pocket, I have it in my backpack instead, and I can charge the drone as I'm going to a different location, which is awesome. So guys, really recommend this drone. I really love it, and especially in the area I'm in, there's an actual airport about 3-4 kilometers down the road, so I can actually fly this drone here because it's less than 249 grams or 250 grams. So again, another advantage for this, and the footage has been excellent. I can't fault it. I've loved it. I've been doing a lot of hyperlapses as well, so check out my TikToks. I've been putting a lot of hyperlapses on there as well. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Just a quick note, I'm actually filming the rest of this video on the Mini 3 Pro. So the rest of this half footage that you've just been watching now is being filmed on the Mini 3 Pro. That's how good the footage is. That you guys probably haven't noticed a difference. Or it might actually be better than my DSLR because the footage is that good on it. And the sensor is that awesome. Without further ado, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in another video.